हेलो दोस्तों। तो आज हम खोल रहे हैं हमारा नया पार्सल। गेस व्हाट इट इज़। इट इज़ वेरी टाइटली पैक्ड। तो पहले हमारे पास है रेन गार्ड। तो आप समझ गए होंगे क्या है। ये है हमारी कार के लिए न्यू स्पीकर सेट। सो दिस इज द रेन गार्ड रेंज with pretty much good quality. Another set of rain guard. ये भी सेम है। चेंज। पहले इसको निकाल लेते हैं दोनों को। तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास है दो आइटम। वन इज C1-650x JL audio speakers. Then we have C1-650 components. Let's start with components. इसका प्राइस जो है वो दिखा रहा है 15,990 रुपीज़ एंड मेक इज़ October 2021. दिस इज़ वन पेयर. बॉक्स इज़ प्रीटी मच हैवी. इसके साथ है हमारे पास JL ऑडियो का वारंटी कार्ड, कुछ यूज़र मैनुअल, और ये है specific item. Wow, what a nice Twitter, and I would say this is quite heavy. Another Twitter, and this is the main 6.5 inches components. You can see the packing. Wow. So this is the ring. This is pretty much heavy magnet, I would say. So you can see the 6.5 inches and C1 badging, C1-650 CW. So this is components. Let's see. This is similar to what we have, and these are the some wiring. For left and right, and along with this we have another rings for fitting purpose. Pretty much good. Let's see what else. Apart, this is the main thing. These are the crossover. Now these are some screws and the other things. So these were the crossovers which will fit in the tweeter. Okay, so we have different wiring in here. So you can see the JL audio badging here. I hope you guys are able to see. So इसको रखते हैं साइड में. Let's open another thing. C1-650x. इसके साथ भी same warranty card and user manual. So these are the components. No, sorry, this is the speaker, not the components. So we can say these are the coaxials. So coaxials के अंदर हमको ट्विटर जो है इसके अंदर ही मिलता है, and you can see what the finish. And I would say this is pretty much heavy. I can feel that. And these are some wiring. Apart from that, again some rings and some wiring and screws. And then pretty much this is it. So thank you guys for watching this video. This is pretty much my first ever video in all of the YouTube, Facebook, everywhere. Thank you.